Hello, in this video, I will be reviewing the CRESS indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator issues buy and sell signals for us so that we can see the sell signals in red here and the buy signals in green. We can see the green circles here, which determine these signals using the cross of two moving averages, and we can specify their period in the entry. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Option in the settings is the period for the fast-moving average, and the second option is the period for the slow-moving average. We can adjust these according to the symbol we are trading, so we can receive the signals accordingly. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.